Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it has been one of those weeks where the temperature has gone all over the board. We've had nice and sunny weather, we've had rain and wind, we've had sleet, we've had snow, and now we're back to halfway decent weather again. But I made the most of it. On Sunday we went to church, and then Monday I had to go to the dentist, oral surgeon, to have them check the surgery site on my mouth. Everything came back fine. The biopsy came back fine, so I'm good to go on that. And on Tuesday I came out here in the greenhouse and I planted the peas. I planted 2 beds in the low greenhouse of Alaska peas and a bed in this high greenhouse of little marble peas. Got that done. Then we went to my aunt's funeral. She was the last aunt that I know of that I have. Don't know much about my dad's side of the family. Kind of lost touch on them a long time ago. But I'm pretty sure that was the last of the older relatives that I had from my mom and dad's side. And then I came home and I sowed a bunch of tomato seeds upstairs in the grow room. I had to re-sow the petunias from where that little mouse ate them. I did order petunia seeds and got those in. So I sowed those, and I sowed some marigolds. And then on Wednesday, I came into the greenhouses. The low greenhouse, I sowed carrots, carrots, beets, and turnips. And in the high greenhouse, I sowed the radishes and onion seeds and the parsnips. So I got the greenhouses sowed with all the cool weather crops. So now I'm just waiting for them to grow, and I got the warm weather crops that need to be started in the grow room started. And the rest of them, if these all turn out well, I won't have to do any more planting until it comes actually time to start transplanting plants into the garden and direct sowing the warm weather plants into the garden. So we're caught up right now, if everything grows, knock on wood, praise God. And then on Thursday I took the day off and did crafts. I made a bunny garland for my tree. I wanted to change the Mardi Gras winter tree into an Easter spring tree, and I wanted a bunny garland for it, and I didn't want to go out and pay a bunch of money for one, so I made one. That took all day on Thursday and a little bit on Friday. Friday I did change out the tree, finished packing away the rest of the winter Christmas stuff into the basement, and did some laundry and started cleaning the library again. Didn't get much started, just another shelf done, but one shelf at a time. Hopefully this next coming week I can concentrate more on cleaning again, since the main things that had to be done are done. That's putting the seeds into the greenhouse and getting the tree changed. So on Saturday I started the irrigation system. It was one of those days it's going to be warm, so I started that, got that going. And on Saturday we end up going up to Columbus and getting those shelves for the basement. We're going to have to finish the library and the guest bathroom and then move down to the basement and get it, at least the shelves, done before I can start on the other bedroom, because there's a lot of stuff in that room that needs to be taken to the basement, and I've got things in the other house that needs to be taken to the basement before I can finish cleaning those. Those are things I want. The new shelves I want to replace the old shelves with, and I've got some shelving bookcases upstairs that I have cleared the books off of it, and now I'm either going to put them downstairs and use them down there, or we're going to get rid of them. I haven't decided which yet, but I need to go and do the basement before I can do any more of those rooms. So that's probably going to be my next project after I get these 2 rooms done. And hopefully next week I can work on those again, because I have all the planting done outside for right now. I do have to trim the roses yet and do some weeding in the flower gardens. But, yeah, You can only do so much at a time. And then, so we went up and got the shelves and brought them down. Very, very heavy, I thought. Might have hurt my shoulder a little bit moving them, but hopefully not. And then Saturday night, we went up to Meek's to eat. They had the best tenderloin. I'm not really much on tenderloins. They're so big, they're hard for me to eat all of them. So he ate by, maybe a fourth of mine because it was so huge. But, it was so good. And of course, we listened to our neighbor's coat sing. And we were there until about 10:30 listening to him. So that's what we did Saturday night. So it's been a fun week. It's been an exciting week. It's been a profitable week. We've got a lot done, and hopefully you've made good use of this nice weather that we had, although it was like a little roller coaster, like a little kid on a trampoline jumping up and down with the temperatures going up and down constantly. But hey, we got through it, and now we're supposed to have some really good weather ahead. Had the irrigation system on most of the day, so hopefully that helps with the plants to germinate. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.